So we are going to draw a winter cardinal today. And that winter cardinal is going to be in snow. And so we'll be doing something called mixed media, which means the paper you're drawing on today is not actually going to be your final project. It's just the first step. So if you have watercolor, I would use watercolor paper to draw because I will be painting these and encouraging you to paint your cardinal. But if you don't have watercolors or you don't want to paint with watercolor, any normal type of paper will be fine. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a big rectangle for my paper. And this should show you how big, let's lower it a little bit. That should show you how big the cardinal is going to be as you draw. That's a bit better. All right, and I'm going to bring you closer. So you've got your paper, and to make your cardinal, you're going to start with an oval. The oval's going to go up and down, and it should be about medium size. We don't want it to be too big, but definitely not too small. Okay, that's a good oval size. And now you're going to next add a line that comes out from the side, just like that. And then that line, this is going to be the bottom of the beak. And a cardinal has something called a crest. And so we're going to have the beak come up and create our crest. Watch me as I do that. Okay, so do you see that curvy line that I've got? That's good. That's our crest. And now the crest needs to come back into the house, into the body. Sorry, that was weird. Okay, and now let's go ahead and give our cardinal a little bit of a face. So we can erase this line right here. You don't need it anymore. And instead we'll want to put a circle for our eye. And to make our beak, you'll want to start at the corner of the beak and make a curved line. Good. And now cardinals always have a mask. So the mask starts right above the beak. It goes over the eye and then around the eye and to the belly in kind of like a 7 shape. Okay. Next, we'll want to give our cardinal a tail. So you're going to go down from the body and then back up. All right, that looks good. If you want the tail to be fanned out, you can. If you want it to be straight up and down, you can. You be creative with your tail. And we need wings as well. So for the wing, you're going to actually start in the middle of the body, come down at a diagonal, and then swing on out, outside of the body, and then make a curved line and swing back in. Okay, so our cardinal's looking pretty good right now. One more detail I forgot to add in the face. I need to give the mouth in the beak. I'm going to do a curved line, and then we need our feet. So for our feet, our cardinal's going to be holding onto a branch. So a good way to draw bird feet, because they're kind of tricky, is to make a rounded rectangle that you then fill in with the toes. So here's one rounded rectangle, and here's another. And then I'm going to give it toes by first erasing the line inside, and then 1 line, 2 lines. That gives me 3 toes. Let's do it again. 1 line, 2 lines. Whoop. 3 toes. And then go ahead and erase this line here on the wing, and you have a finished cardinal. So now is the time to color it. Now, cardinals come in 2 colors. Boy cardinals have red bodies and black faces. I'm actually going to color mine on the board like it's a boy. Girl cardinals are a little bit different. Girl cardinals have brown bodies with a red beak and a black mask. So I'll show you the parts of the cardinal that are black first. The mask is black. And you might remember from other drawings that we've done, to make your drawing look really good, you want to color in the same direction. right. And cardinals have black feet, too. Now, unfortunately, since I'm using black marker and I use black marker to draw, it's hard to see. Now, let me go get a red marker so I can show you the body. All cardinals, girl and boy, have red beaks. And this is where we'd split up. If you are drawing a girl cardinal, you can give her a brown body. If you are drawing a boy cardinal, you can keep going with your red, whether it's red watercolor, red marker, red crayon, red colored pencil, and color in your whole cardinal. I'm not going to color all the way to the edges. I just want to show you how that color looks. Wonderful. And then next week, you're going to cut out this cardinal, and I'm going to show you how we continue turning our cardinal into a beautiful winter cardinal scene using mixed media. So, keep your cardinal handy, don't lose it, and I will see you next week.